I might do Okay guys, so we're going to be starting with clean, fresh skin. I'm going to be doing a Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Face Mask. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. I'm going to go ahead and start doing my brows. I am using the L'Oreal brow pencil. It's a retractable brow pencil. It's a really great alternative to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is what I had close in reach, and this is in the shade Dark Brunette. Hi guys, so we are going to be doing a tutorial today. Hopefully it's a rather good one. It's early in the morning, so I just want to go ahead and come on here and do a tutorial. You guys liked my last look that I did, and actually I'm going to be using some brand new makeup products. I have a lot of makeup products here from Sephora. I have some Dior, I have Anastasia, I have Becca, I have it all. We're going to be using the AMREZE palette today. This is an amazing palette. It's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful, and I haven't made a tutorial on my channel in forever, so I think it'd be a nice change of pace. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this glam. I have the palette here. Maybe the palette that we're using. So the first brush I'm going to take is going to be a Morphe 505, and then I'm going to be taking the color New Yorker. Alright, and I'm going to just start blending that in my crease. Now I normally like to start slow. And guys, I am using natural lighting. It's pretty early in the morning. PD has already had her bath and everything. I don't know if this is just going to be my first get ready with me talk through. Put this all in your crease. Now this I do take up regardless. I do take it up to the brow bone. And it's just a very light brown. Anyway, okay, so we already went and added the color New Yorker. Now I'm just gonna take a softer color, which is OG, and I'm just gonna blend that right on top. Like, just to kinda, you know, confirm my coloring that I just did. Okay, so the next step is to go ahead and add the color Hugo, which looks like this. This is Hugo. I don't have any Morphe brushes like these. Are all my brand new Morphe brushes, so I'm taking the M433 brush and I'm taking the color Hugo, and I'm just gonna start gently kind of smoking that out. Just to kind of give me a pre-cut crease look. And then that way you already are creating a guide. So it looks very simple. I'm gonna back up. And you see how I literally just barely added any color, because we're gonna go back and darken it up, but this is gonna be our diffused beginner baby cut crease look. And then I'm just gonna continue to diffuse that color Hugo and out the crease. So we really want to get in there and smoke it out. Eventually become a nice gradient. Alright guys, so now we're just going to go ahead and cut our crease. I kind of did the right eye already, like off camera for you guys, just to make sure I know what I'm doing. We're going to go ahead and cut the other one. I am using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. I'm gonna try to. Go ahead and fix this one. Okay, now I'm just taking a brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. So what I did here, I just honestly add the color Semsa, this color right here. And that's gonna be my outer edge, like darker V part, and use the color Barb. And I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna put it like right here. You might get a lot of fallout. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the shade Cupcake right down the middle, like right in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the color Samsa, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer V again of my eye, right next to it. And this is just giving the outer edge of the eye like some depth, blending out that whole entire crease of Yugo and OG and New Yorker. So it is kind of harder to cut crease with all shimmer lid, but that's why my last shade is matte. I had to do a matte tone to kind of break everything up. Now I'm just gonna buff it out really good with OG, and I'll come back with the other side done. So yeah, and I just put Barb literally like just in the inner corners. Like it's that easy. I'm gonna take another clean Morphe M44 brush, and I'm just gonna blend some of this stuff out. I'm just gonna take a little more Sasma, and I'm just gonna put it next to each other. Okay, so next I'm gonna start cleaning this up and applying my liner, my mascara, and then my lashes. Okay guys, so I have my liner on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. This is a newer mascara that I recently have started to use. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. But you only need like a thin coat of this, and I love that it's so black. Now guys, I have my lashes on. They're not too dramatic, but they're just enough. So now we're gonna take a Neutrogena wipe. I have these little miniature singles, or little Neutrogena single wipes. I'm just gonna use this to clean up the glitter, and I'm just gonna clean up my under eye. Okay, we're gonna be doing the Dior AirFlash foundation. So I have my toddler here. It is 11:20 a.m. so our morning is still very fresh and vivid and very bright. She's watching her little educational songs and shows and dancing. That's who that is back there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the Dior AirFlash. A lot of you like to apply with a brush, a denser kabuki brush or an airbrush. This one's from Sephora, or a beauty blender. But in this case, I have a brand new Morphe sponge, so I'm gonna use the Morphe Beauty Sponge. And again, my shade is in 5N, and I just take it, and you kind of want to get a nice little mist on there. And we're gonna do this side first. And right now, I'm just kind of stippling it on. I'm just gonna like go over top with it. Sorry guys, she's like running around wild. Like, I'm just spraying a little bit on the sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of like press it into my skin. Like very, very flawless. Like I might do we'll do concealer and then our contour and highlight. I like to do butterscotch shade because it's just so nice and like yellow and highlighting. And now I just take my Morphe sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it. And I do like this sponge. It's a little firmer. At first I didn't like that it was so firm. Here I'm taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. This is shade 71. I'm just buffing that all around my forehead and on my jawline just to warm my complexion. And dusting away my setting powder, I did use the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Honey. Next, I am taking the MAC Blush in Raisin, and I'm putting this all throughout my contour and my jawline just to warm my face up. It's a beautiful terracotta color, and it's gorgeous. Looks great on brown skin. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, so I used a lot of new makeup products. If you like this tutorial, if you would like to see more tutorials from me, comment down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, guys. We're getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.